Welcome to another Fingernail Fixer video. Thanks for joining me. This is going to be a quick and simple idea for adding texture to the nails that makes them have a really cool visual texture. Start off with 2 layers of your favorite gel polish and cure those layers. Then take a contrasting color. It can be something darker, something lighter, whatever your personal preference is for color. And you're going to want to dispense a little bit of that color on a palette. Once you have some of the color dispensed on a palette, you're going to need to use a fan brush. A fan brush is just a really nice spread out fluffy brush. Dip the fan brush in that contrasting color and then tap the fan brush on your palette to remove some of the excess. Then just gently touch the nail all over with the fan brush to create the illusion of texture. You can go back and get some more gel polish as you need it so that you can create the texture that you want, and you can touch the nail as much or as little as you want. The visual texture is personal preference. Once you're satisfied with the look, go ahead and cure that layer of gel polish. Once it's cured, it's time for you to add top coat. Apply your top coat and cure it for the proper amount of time, and you will have a finished nail. The finished look gives you a really neat visual texture that didn't take a lot of extra time and yet is a really fun effect, especially if you enjoy a cool deconstructed look. The gel polish I used in this video was C&D Shellac Luxe in Whisper and Phantom. Thank you so much for joining me. Please click the thumbs up if you liked, subscribe to the channel so you know when the next video comes, and I appreciate your time.